Well, hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back. So, today's video is going to be a Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing, but it's not from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, it is from Beautylish. So Beautylish does this once a year at the beginning of the year. They do like a lucky bag. Lucky bag is like a traditional thing. I think it's in Chinese culture. I will let you know when I open up the box. They include a little information tag, but today we are doing this. So I did one last year, but last year's video really wasn't about the mystery bag as much because I had bought it before a bunch of Jeffree Star drama happened. I was still going to unbox it, but I spent a lot of time talking about Jeffree as a person and my experiences with him. But this year, we're just going to focus on the box. So this is $75, with at least $150 worth of value in it. $75 is a lot. I'm glad I had some credit on Beautylish from returning stuff. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this big old box. If you were not subscribed to my channel already, I would love if you did that. I do release a ton of videos. I do review most Jeffree Star products, and I would just really appreciate it if you subscribe. So thank you, and now let's get into it. Alright guys, before we get started, all makeup on this channel is cruelty-free, and so is Jeffree Star Cosmetics. His brand is also vegan. So, let's get into this box. I'm very excited. Oh, we have the lucky paper again. So normally you get like Jeffree Star paper in his boxes, but Beautylish gives you this cute like crane. So this is the Lucky Bag 2020. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. So this crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. So super cute, and I absolutely love this paper. I'm gonna save it so like when I sell stuff on Depop and stuff I can ship it in pretty paper. So yeah, let's dive right on it. I know there is guaranteed a palette in here. I don't know what palette. I don't know if they're all the same palette. But last year I think one of my favorite things I got was the Thirsty like little popsicle mirror. I still use that all the time. So I'm hoping for like an accessory in here, but I don't know what else I would like in here. Like I need another Jeffree Star androgyny liquid lipstick. So if that's in here that'd be perfect, but there's so many different options. I don't know what we're gonna get. So let's open her up. Save the paper. Okay, so I see, I'm just going to take the bundle of stuff out, but that's the inside of the box. And I know what palette we got now, so let's open this. Alright, so first up, Liquid Frost in the shade Goddess. I do not have this color. I have a lighter one, so I'm going to open this from the bottom because I'm not going to like open up and use it. It's way too dark for my skin tone, but I'm personally not a huge fan of the Liquid Frost. I feel like on some foundations it looks great and it breaks down some other ones. So this is the color. It's very dark, but I think it'd be a great body highlight if you are a deeper complexion. I think the Liquid Frosts are great for body highlights. For face products, like I mentioned, it does not agree with some foundations, and it's not my favorite thing in the world. The pump feels pretty cheap, like this feels like cheap packaging, but the Liquid Frost itself will be great for the body. So this is the first thing in here. Okay, so next up we have Orion. Okay, thanks for the kiss. But he's very cute and he wants to interrupt every video, and apparently you guys like him enough to let him interrupt every video. Okay, so yeah, he's the next thing in here because he jumped in the box. Next Jeffree Star product we have here is a gloss. Ooh, this is the black one, I think. So we have Jeffree Star gloss in Midnight Lick. Sounds terrifying, honestly. I only have the Shane gloss. I know I have another one. I have like a light pinky gloss from Jeffree that came out when he first released the glosses. Some of the glosses are really beautiful. I'm not a gloss person. I love matte. But some of the glosses without the glitter are super, super pretty. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to use this color either. This is it's a black gloss, which honestly does kind of fit my aesthetic to a degree, but I don't wear glosses. So if this was like a black liquid lipstick, I'd be into it, but that's intense. That's intense. So far we have a dark Liquid Frost and a black liquid lip gloss. So I can't use either of these products so far, which is kind of a bummer, but maybe they'll get better products next. Alrighty, next up, let's do the palette because I just keep looking at it. We got the Blood Sugar palette, which is actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today, which is just a cute little pinky moment. But we have the Blood Sugar in the sleeve and the Blood Sugar palette, so let's open it up. So this is the inside of the Blood Sugar palette. It's very beautiful. It's really stunning. I'm trying to make myself use this more because I just stopped using it. I'm not too into warm shadows like I once was, but the palette formula of this is fantastic, and ever since then his palettes have been really great. Like, I just wasn't a fan of androgyny. But this is so beautiful. I'm going to do some swatches of mine that I've already used so we can see the quality. Okay, so here are 2 swatches of 2 of the lighter shades, 2 of the fun shades, and 2 of the more deep shades. This palette honestly performs fantastically. I did a whole week of looks using this when it first came out, and I just had a really great time with it. I do want to point out that the palette did not come with any protector over the shadows or protector on the mirror, which I personally prefer because it's not a waste of plastic. We usually throw those things away. So I do enjoy that there was no like protectors on it, even though I guess you need to protect it. I don't know, but let's move on to the next thing. So next up is a Skin Frost. I love his Skin Frost formula. And I like yellow, but I don't know if I need this. So this was a limited edition 2 years ago for summer, I believe. This is the Skin Frost in Summer Snow Cone, which is a yellow. Personally, I am like a die-hard yellow eyeshadow person. I'm not sure about yellow highlighters. I don't wear them too often. I mean, today's is a little yellow, but this is the packaging. They also came out with Crystal Ball, which I bought at the time of this collection. So this is the Skin Frost up close. It's very pretty. I'm going to give it a swatch. I'll probably try to keep this if I can. That's what one swatch on the hand looks like. Let me go in for a second dip. I don't remember if I bought this one or not. I know I have the Crystal Ball one. I just decluttered, but that's the highlighter. It's very pretty, actually, and I think even though it's pretty yellow, I might be able to layer this with a wider highlight and make it work for my skin tone pretty well, because it's very pretty, but it's a little bit yellow based, so I'm going to give this a shot, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, lastly, we have a little box in here, which I assume is liquid lipsticks. So this is a Beautylish Jeffree Star box. I have the one with this, like, tattoo pattern on it, and I store, like, some eyelashes in it. Oh, I have all these. So this is another summer collection from 3 years ago? Was it 3 years ago? The red summer collection. So I'm going to keep this. This is one of my most used Jeffree Star lipsticks. It is Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum is gorgeous. And then we also have, I think this is pumpkin spice. Yeah, pumpkin pie, which actually for being an orange lipstick is my favorite orange lipstick that I own. But mine is a little dry, so I guess it's going to have a backup if I need it. And we have Sagittarius, which is like Deceased, which is a very popular color from him, the same collection, just slightly lighter. So let me get mine and I'll swatch them for you. Alright, so here are these swatches. We have Pumpkin Pie, followed by Chrysanthemum, and Sagittarius. These two are a, like, slightly thinner formula. I feel like Chrysanthemum I have to lip line with because you can see the edges of my lips if you don't. Sagittarius is very pretty too, but it's a little bit more on the watery side compared to some of those other lipsticks, but they're still really pretty. It's just slightly more streaky, and Pumpkin Pie is honestly like his regular, beautiful, fantastic formula. Pumpkin Pie is gorgeous if you need an orange lipstick. So let's go over everything that we got in this box. I also wanted to point out, if you get one of these, you can just take this out and you have a nice little storage box. Which I said I used lashes. You can also just store like jewelry in here or something if you want to. But like you can save this, you don't have to throw it away, which is awesome. Let's now do a little run through. So we have 3 liquid lipsticks from a previous summer collection. Also from a previous summer collection, we have the Summer Snow Cone Skin Frost, which again, I don't remember if I've ever owned before, but it is really pretty in yellow, so we will see. And I think if I owned this, it probably got hard pan. I don't remember. We also have a Liquid Frost in Goddess, which is too dark for my skin tone, but that does happen. We have a black lip gloss. Not a lip gloss person, but I'm sure I can give these to someone else who would appreciate them and be able to use them more. And we also got the Blood Sugar palette. So $75. I do think it's worth the value because it technically is $150 worth of value. However, personally, I would like to see some more like new items from them because I feel like the gloss is like the newest thing. The other things are like an old Skin Frost from years ago. It's like lipsticks are from years ago. These two I feel like are kind of a gamble. They're not old or new. I mean, I guess the lip gloss is kind of new. But like I would love to see like the Extreme Frost or I guess something from his like newer collections, like liquid lipsticks and Skin Frost and stuff from his like newer holiday collections, not a couple years ago. But I think that's the thing. And I would also love to see an accessory. I feel like his accessories are really fun. I would rather have an accessory than one of these, honestly. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really feel like if you need a blood sugar palette, like it's really cool that it came in this box because that's a $55 value on its own. But honestly, I think the things I'll probably use is like the Skin Frost since I already have everything else. But most people who buy these things don't have everything else. Anyways, I will see you next time, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, I would love if you did that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.